It's perfectly okay to admit you are not okay. It's perfectly okay to have loss in your life, but it's definitely not okay to overcome from that loss. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer at Winsome Express, expert in SolidWorks and affiliate marketer. I hope you are fine and start taking mandatory steps for your safety while going your workplaces. So today I am going to share my views on the topic: how do you overcome from loss? Loss, it can be of any kind: financial loss, mental loss, emotional loss, relationship loss, any kind. So today I am going to share few steps with you so that you can cope up from that loss. So first and the foremost step, that accept your loss. Yes, you need to show the feeling that you have in your mind. You need to overcome that feeling. You need to accept that yes, I have loss in my life. Once you start accepting that you have a loss in the life, you have the way to overcome that loss. Because if you are not accepting that loss, what is happening? It will disbalancing your brain. The negative feelings are striking on your brain and it will impact your health. So start accepting that you have a loss in your life. Second, start taking steps to fill the void. Yes, start taking steps to fill the void that created by that loss. It may be mentally, emotionally, financially, anything. You need to take few small steps so that that void which created by that loss will fill up. You need to take few steps. Third, learn to grow from loss. Every loss has a message. Whatever loss you have in your life, every loss has a message for you. You need to rectify that loss and learn from that mistake, or you can say from that message you get from that loss, so that in the upcoming future you will not that make mistakes again and again. Fourth, move forward. It's not okay that you lost something in your life and sit down at this very moment and spend whole life in that loss. No, definitely not okay. You have to move forward. You have to live your life at your own, because no one going to help you. It's you and only you will help you from that loss. So take the initial steps, or I can say essential steps, to overcome those losses. Fifth one, learn to be more emotionally stable. Because when you have a loss in your life, you became emotionally imbalanced. So these loss have an opportunity to be strong, give you an opportunity to be strong emotionally, mentally, physically, anything. So be emotionally strong, be emotionally stable, because once you became emotionally stable, you can cope up any kind of loss in your life. Any kind, emotionally, mentally, physically, financially, anything you can cope up. But if you are not emotionally stable, you will not stand 1 second in front of that loss. You have to be emotionally stable. So understand how emotionally stable is very important while you are facing any kind of loss in your life, because emotionally stable will help you to fight with that loss. Start creating, or I can say start generating the faith, because when you lose something in your life, you lose your faith as well on the people, on the thing, on the conditions as well. So start regenerating that faith as well. Because if you lose that faith, then how can you live your life at your own? How can you get help from others? Or I can say, how can you help others as well? So you need to understand, you need to regenerate that faith on the people, on the things, on the condition, anything. You have to maintain that faith. So guys, it's okay to have loss, because every loss comes with an opportunity to be strong, because the life is just like a zigzag line. At a first point, if you have a profit, then the second point you have a loss. It's not necessary that once you start losing, then you will at the end you will lose, or once you have a profit at the start, it will be the profit till the end. It's not like that. It's a zigzag line. Profit loss, profit loss, it will happen. It is a part of your life. You need to accept that kind of thing. So I just want to say, it's okay to lose in your life, but it's not definitely not okay to not overcome from that loss, because it's you and only you have the responsibility to live your life, because no one else behalf of you will fight for you. You are the only one to fight for you, for your career, for your life, for your family, for your financial stable, anything. It's you and only you. You have to fight for that. You need to take that responsibility. So understand, the only person on this earth can help you in the tough situations is you, is me, is you. You need to understand that it's okay, but it's not definitely not okay to overcome that loss. This is the clear message from me, that stand up and fight in your tough situations. I hope you get my message. Thank you.